2 p.m. Thanksgiving Day 2026. And do you know where I am? You know, well, I'll tell you. This is, no, I saw a sign. 30th Street Station. I thought this place would be, like jammed with people. Just because it's a big travel day, but I guess everyone's already done the traveling. I mean, actually, when I walked, there's more people now than when I walked in, I don't know, 15 minutes ago, I guess. There's more people now, a lot more people than when I walked in, but I guess everyone, yeah, so they're doing renovations, as you can see. They're doing renovations. They've been doing renovations for about 2 years, and this is 2025. The end of 2026, early 2027, that's when they're supposed to be done. You know what I think? Oh, well, it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Well, I don't know. You just know. I don't know. Yeah, now, over there used to be, like, food. Dunkin' Donuts. What was that? What's the name of that hoagie place? Anyway, I was over there. That was over there. Another, I think Wendy's might have been over there. No, it wasn't fine dining or anything. Just kind of fare that you would, travelers would want to be interested in. Now I noticed, see these things here. What are they building? Let's go look here. Now I've got this. What are they doing? What's this going to be? And look, they're all over here. What is that going to be? Oh, this is where I had a donut, but I forgot to clean it up. All right. So it's two years we got to they finish this. Well, yeah, I've got my camera on super wide angle. I mean, I'll put it on normal. This is what, it looks like. This is what it actually looks like. Although it's a little darker. A little darker. Yeah. 30th Street train. It's kind of famous. They don't make train stations like this anymore. Well, I just noticed. Wow, what are they? Wait a minute. Are they putting on like a drop ceiling? Or are they? Because the ceiling didn't look like that. Are they making like, I mean, the ceiling, it's way up there. Yeah. What is it? Are they gonna? Well, looks like they're sure, yeah. It looks like it's not going to be as high as it used to be. Well, such is life. How many minutes have I been yakking away here? All right.